Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na sinduna state ki thakta World Wetlands Day 2024 ki thauram Lamphelpat laiba NIT's campus ta pangthokre. State asida punba wetland chamngal lairambagi manungda wetland chama kuntragani thoi khakta ngaire. Wetland kunga humdoi amukhanna hinghanaba technical committee na recommend tawba laire mari amana hauzik samgatpagi thabak chathari haina Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Thongam Biswajit na phongdokre. Wetlands and Human Well-being haibathimda pangthokiba thauramadu da Minister Biswajit na makhatana River Rejuvenation Program gi makhada kongba amadi Imphal Turel samgat sagat na bathaurang leire atubada DPR sarga tharagani Iroi Shemba Ju de Su State Bird Nongin mapungfa na captive breeding ngamle haina phongdokhi Aikoi mioi baga aikoi gi akoi bada leiriba Chingpat Turel uwa yauna jiba khudingmakka tatna thanaba yadraba mari ama lei haiba asi aikoi pumbana khangminaba matam oire haiba wafam minister asina thamladuna aikoi gi akoi bagi fibam mangtharakpa asina maram oiraga ainga gi khalda yamna chauna honglakpa asina aikoi mioi bagi punshida yamna chauna singnaba ma oirakli Akoibagi fibam Chingpa Turel uwasing amadi jiba khuding asi ngak sena bahot nabada aikoi pumbana thaudang lofam thoi nature gi mayokta kanamatana laiba yaroi miyoibana nature ga singnarabadi aikoi khakta mangjaba oigani punna kanna bahot naba mathautai haike lamdam asida thokliba irang asaga mari laina boafam thamladuna Lan kiba soi kiba yauram bayai ngak piba amadi kauthok na dunai khoi amata oina punna santi hanjina bahot na changi haina Minister Biswajit na lamdam asigi miyamda pauzelakli
Lady Wetlands, see, to give a take with the Hingbada, quick culture, get that, with socio economically, a quick quite Marie Lenaba, Amok, Madam de Equinancy, with Nami, Singna, Lady Hingiba, policy credit depend away naturally, a quick Lady Wetlands away, the Loktak, for example, in a period of the Loktak, say, a Loktak, the Pangiba, a quick projecting a sea, Makal Makap, Ambi, Flora, Fauna, a quick environmental, Lady Punamuxing, low and among Mangela, President Marumorga, I could socio economically, Sumangela, Hourglay, Aduga Masigi, Lady Wetlands, Jena, Rajata with the protector with the Vizina, a quick Hangadaba, the migratory bathing, Tuan Tuanba, Mayama Manselapasi, Masikanagi Manjabano, a quick Manjabane Habasi, Handare Harakanda, Kaminare Harakanda, a quick Tuan Tuanba, Ladiba, a quick Narkatadok Navayadraba, a quick culture, Amadi, a quick labor tradition, Wediba Wetland, Amok Wede, Adenadi, Masi Wetlands, Equimam, Puna, Kanmina Vachimatare, Society, Lady Vanessa, Daikona, we should not fight against the Nessa.
Thauramadu da Sarugyakiba Water Resources Minister Awangbu Nemaina Miyoibana male masida naitom hingba ngamde akoibada lairiba jiba Chingpa Turel sing asaga punna amata oina laibane Aikoi gi akoibada lairiba sing mangtharakpada aikoi pumbana daita lofam thoi confirm thoi masida mana taugadabani natraga tauroidabani haiduna maral sinabagi matam natte Ngasi malem gi thakta World Wetland Day hain observe tawriba asi maru oina aikoi gi akoibada lairamba wetland sing mangsilakle haibani masi aikoi gi shu asoiba lai haiba khangmina shi haike aikoi gi akoibada lairiba sing santi oina leiba ngamdrabadi aikoi gi pukning wakhalda santi leiba yaroi haiba khangminaba matam oire haina Minister Awangbu na phongdokhe Thauramadu da Additional Chief Secretary MH Khan Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. T. Brajakumar Yauna miyoi kayana saruk yaki. World Wetland Day gamari lainana Wetlands of Manipur haibathimda photo amadi painting gi exhibition amasu hangdokhi loinana quiz photography amadi spot painting competition da athoi ehen tarak pasingda manapi duna pukning thaugatki.
We must first take care of our environment so that environment doesn't go against us. When an environment is hostile towards humankind, human beings cannot live. Hausikan akoi ye thause kraino hargade departments in a yang singa do yang sinbida begini wetland mang khebdo hanadum blame torgatwe. What is our part have de koi kanasu khanda bugum to. Hausiki generation we blame on one another, we blame on one another. Just see government will blame tobra, department will blame tobra, kana will blame tobra, concerned person, concerned departments, concerned authority, concerned authority, nangi concerned the we go on blaming one another. We blame the experts. We blame the concerned people, concerned. But where are we? Where are you? What is your part? I the concerned authority not the high. But concerned authority oibra kana oibra we live or perish. together on this planet. So we all have the responsibility to take care of our environments. And one important thing is that wetland.